In today's video, I'm going to reveal one of the easiest side hustles you can create just using ChatGPT that no one is talking about. This side hustle will allow you to quickly and easily get to $500 or more a day if you apply the simple steps I'm going to share with you inside of this video. Now, if you've followed me for a while, you know I'm all about getting results as easy and as fast as possible. Now, the strategy I'm going to reveal inside this video is amazing because once you set it up, you'll be able to consistently pump out moolah just using the power of AI and clicking a few buttons. So what I'm going to share with you is how you can literally go from scratch, no skills, no tech ability, and start having consistent income flowing in, just like you can see on the screen right here. Now, before I get into the very first step, a lot of people have been asking me to share my #1 way to make money online from zero. Now, we can take the method I'm going to share with you in this video and really 10x your results. So to get access to that private video, just be sure to click the first link in the description while it's still available. Now, maybe you've heard of social media marketing agencies, or SMMA. Now, this is a type of business that you can start which will allow you to help other business owners. Now, basically, you provide a specific service to them, such as running paid ads or creating content, and they will pay you for doing this service for them. Now, you can earn a ton of money because if you make it a monthly service, you'll have money coming in every single month from the clients that you gain. Now, in this video, I'm going to reveal exactly how to start a highly profitable agency around a specific service that all business owners need. And I'm going to share with you how to make this entirely automated using the power of ChatGPT. So the type of agency we're going to be creating is an email marketing agency. Basically, every online business needs to be collecting email addresses of their leads and sending them regular emails. So what we'll be doing is getting clients and then helping them create emails for their business. And when we do that, they'll pay us a hefty sum. And like I said, if we can get them on a retainer, which is just a monthly subscription, then we'll have money coming in every single month from these clients like clockwork. And again, don't worry, I'm going to share how to use ChatGPT to do this so you can have this entire business almost completely done for you. So the very first step is to start attracting clients that will actually pay us for this service. Now, there's many different ways you can actually market this service. One incredibly effective way is to do something called cold outreach. Now, this is just a method where you basically reach out to people you don't know through DMs or direct messages on social media. Now, what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to hop on my computer and I'm going to share with you step by step how you can actually start reaching out to people to start to get them to agree to do this service. And then later on in this video, I'm going to reveal exactly how to generate these emails to give them and then how to even scale up your business so you can do this completely passively and just have money coming in. So one of the best places you can actually find potential clients is Instagram. Instagram is amazing. Now, once you go to Instagram, you want to take in mind the idea is to find business owners. Now, we just want to search things that business owners would follow, profiles and accounts. So you can type in words like entrepreneur, motivational tips. Think about what type of accounts that business owners would want to follow. So what I can do is I can type in something like entrepreneur, okay, which if you don't know is just another word for a business owner. And you can see this one right here has 4.5 million followers, okay? So if I open up this profile, what this means is that this profile is followed by over 4 million entrepreneurs, 4 million business owners that a massive percent of them could all be needing our service when it comes to creating email marketing, okay? So what you can literally do is you can go to some of the most recent posts, okay? So I can open this up and what I can do is I can actually look at who is liking this, okay? Because I know that these people that are liking this post are probably active on Instagram and they're probably entrepreneurs, okay? So these people are people that are gonna be interested in our service. And again, all we need are a few of these people paying us, $1,000 a month, let's say, and we can start to generate tons of money every single month. So now that you've found this list of potential clients, this is a list of leads and prospects for this business. Now what you can actually do is you can hover over and you can actually follow them, or you can try just sending them a direct message without following them. Now, if you don't follow them and they don't follow you back and you send them a message, it will typically go into the private or the request section of Instagram. Now, a lot of people think that this is not actually a good thing, like people won't see it, but what you have to understand is we're messaging business owners, and business owners are typically always checking their requests and their private folders because they're looking for leads and sales, okay? So now on desktop, if you use Instagram on your computer, typically you have to follow and then you can actually send them a message. On your Instagram on your phone, typically you can just send them a message without following them. But in this case, I'll follow this guy and then I can go ahead and click message. Now, once I click message, we want to actually message this person a specific message, okay? Now, what we want to do is we want to actually send this person a message. Now, what I've done for you inside of this video is I actually created a template that you can actually swipe and deploy. Okay, so if I go ahead and open this document here, this is a very simple template that we can go out and send to people that are potentially business owners and entrepreneurs to start to get them as clients. Okay, so just to go over it very quickly, it's very simple. It says, "Hey name, I love what you're doing with your posts." Okay, so the reason we want to do this is the sweetest sound to someone's ears is their own name. So by using their name, it's going to be more personal. And then by saying, I love what you're doing with your posts, we're giving them a compliment. Okay, so this is starting a relationship with this person. This is networking 101, right? Now, what we want to do is we want to get right to the point. A lot of people, when they do cold outreach, they spend a lot of time, talking and a lot of time like going through the rigmarole, and they never get to the point. People's time is very precious. So the next part is, I'm curious, are you currently doing or having success with email marketing? It's incredibly powerful to follow up and make more sales. If not, I actually have been helping people create full email marketing campaigns so they can focus on other things. Okay, so what we're basically doing is telling them the need for email marketing, and we're also piquing their interest because if they're not doing email marketing, they're going to be much more likely to respond. Now, by telling them it's incredibly powerful to follow up, we're hitting on the benefits of why they need to be using email marketing. And then I say, if not, I actually have been helping people create full email marketing campaigns so they can focus on other things. Again, hitting on the benefit. We want to sell the benefit, not the features. Okay, so this is the why, this is the reason they want to do it. And then we say, if you're interested, respond back and we can chat. Okay, so again, if they're interested, they will actually get back to us. So if I copy this right here, okay, and I go back to this message chat, I can paste that in like this, and I can just say, hey, George, right? I love what you're doing with your posts, boom, and I can just send that, okay? Now, what you want to understand with cold outreach is it's a numbers game, okay? So what that means is you need to do a certain amount to get a result, okay? Don't take it personal. It's just the name of the game when it comes to cold outreach. So the more you send out, typically the more responses you're going to make, the more clients you're going to get, and the more money you're going to make, okay? So if you stick to a certain plan, you can send out a lot of these messages per day. I wouldn't do more than about 20 or 30 a day starting off because you don't want to get flagged by Instagram, for sending out different messages, but you want to stay consistent. Again, you could set a timer on your phone. You just want to start sending these messages out, okay? Now, once you start getting a response back, the next step is we want to actually negotiate a deal with this person, okay? So we want to actually tell them, look, what I'll do is I will actually create 7 different emails for you, and you can get an idea of what I do, and then if you like that, then I can go ahead and create a plan and a proposal for you, and we can go ahead and work together long term. So this is a really good strategy because a lot of people are skeptical, but if you actually give them a sample first, then you're gonna stand out from a lot of people that are just asking for money right away. You can actually give them a sample of some emails, and then you can go ahead and wow them, and then when they actually see how valuable it is, now you can get them onto a certain plan, a monthly subscription, and then you can go ahead and start making a lot more money, okay? So you wanna talk to this person a little bit. Things to ask are, what type of business are you doing? What niche are you in? What product are you selling? You wanna have a little bit of a chat, really uncover this information. So what you can do is you can actually know what to put into ChatGPT in a second to generate these emails that you can go ahead and give them. Okay, so now that you found out a little bit more about your client, then you want to go over to ChatGPT, okay? Now, if you don't have an account with ChatGPT, you want to go to chatgpt.com and you can go ahead and create a free account. I know a lot of people watching this, they probably already have an account. All you want to do is you want to log in and we want to type in a prompt, okay? So a prompt on ChatGPT is basically just putting in a specific question or a specific thing that we want ChatGPT to answer. Now, in this case, like I said, I recommend doing at least 3 emails for free to give them a sample. So what you can literally do is, let's say they're to make a completely random example, let's say they're a dog training business and they have a course that helps dogs stop barking, right? Very random, but what we can literally do is say in ChatGPT, write 3 emails that will go out to an email list that sells a product teaching dogs to stop barking. Okay, I mean, that is so random, but I want to share with you, it does not matter what type of business the person is in, this can work. Okay, and then you want to click enter, and then what's going to happen is it literally will, in a matter of seconds, spit out 3 completely different emails, as you can see right here, that are about helping dog owners stop their dog from barking, okay? So literally this is incredibly simple, and then what you can actually do is you can go ahead and copy these emails, okay? Literally just copy like that, then go to a Google document, okay? You just go to Google and then open documents, and what you can do is create a new document, okay? And then you can literally just paste that in like this, and then I can get the share link, okay? And I can go ahead and do, anyone with the link, copy, and then I can literally go back to this chat, okay, once the person agrees, and I can send them the link. And once they see those 3 emails and they see how valuable they are, and a lot of people still don't know about ChatGPT, so don't worry if you think, oh, like what if they know about ChatGPT? Most people don't, and most people don't want to actually do it themselves. They'd rather just have someone else do it. So you're going to send that to them. Now, once they see it and they get back to you, what's going to happen is a lot of them are going to say, okay, this is great, I'd love to find out more. And then at this point, you can give them your proposal. Okay, this is where you're basically going to negotiate a term and ideally something ongoing. Okay, so you can throw out different numbers. Okay, I recommend you start high and then you can kind of work down. So you can say, I've been helping people recently do this. It's typically a retainer of about, $1,000 a month. And what I'll do is I'll create an entire email campaign for you, and you won't even have to worry about it. Now you can actually take this further and you can literally even add another service on top of that, and you can say, for an extra $500 a month, I'll even handle the entire email campaign inside of my email autoresponder, and you don't even have to worry about it at all. We'll just send leads into that and I'll set the entire thing up, and you just pay me the $1,500 a month and I will start to actually have those emails sending out for you, okay? Now when you do that and you are targeting the right type of people, you're gonna get a lot of people saying yes and agreeing to this, and this is the power of this incredible strategy, okay? So now you wanna start doing this, and again, you're gonna start having people agree. Now they can pay you in a lot of different ways. You could have them pay you through PayPal, you can have them pay you through Stripe, okay, to collect the actual payment. And then if you wanna actually manage the entire email campaign for them, one service you can actually use is GetResponse, okay? So I actually use GetResponse in my own personal business. It's incredibly powerful. I'll actually include a link directly below in the description where you can sign up for a 30-day risk-free trial of GetResponse. So you can actually start helping these clients and make money before you even have to pay that next second month. But what's gonna happen is you go here, you create a free account, okay? Now once you're inside, okay, and this is my own personal account, what you can do is you can actually go to contacts, okay, and you can create a new list. So you can go here, create list, okay, and you can put in the business that you're actually managing, their list, and then what you can actually do is you can create autoresponders, okay, and you can go ahead and set up different autoresponders in that campaign for your client. Okay, so you can go ahead to create autoresponder. You can go to by myself, okay, and you can go ahead and literally just choose, you know, the subject line, put in the text like this, and you can go ahead and set up, you know, and they have many different days. So you can set up, I mean, a 30-day autoresponder sequence for your client. And again, this can be an extra bonus for them so you can make even more money. Now, again, you may be thinking, well, what do I write with the email, stuff like that? Again, you want to use the power of ChatGPT. So we can go here and I can literally say, write me a, let's say 15-day autoresponder sequence to help dogs, or to promote a product to stop dogs from barking, okay? I can literally hit enter, and in a matter of seconds, they will write out 15 emails, okay, that you can literally just put into that campaign and start sending out for your clients. Now, there's one more step in this entirely incredibly simple, easy ChatGPT side hustle. But before I get into it, again, be sure to go to the first link directly below if you want to discover my #1 way to make the most amount of money online. Again, you can take what you're learning here and you can really ramp it up even more. It's not going to be available for that much longer, so be sure you click the link below and get access to that private video revealing much more information. Now, the last step in this video is how can we actually scale this business to the moon, where you can actually do massive cold outreach and start to get even more clients. Well, what you can literally do is, rather than you being the person that sends out all these messages all the time, you can literally just hire someone to do this for you. So what you can do is you can go over to a website called Upwork.com, okay? You can just create a free account, and then once you do that, you can literally just post a job, and you can do short-term, part-time work or longer-term work, and you can hire someone to send out messages for cold outreach to potential clients, getting you deals, and you can scale this to the moon. This is incredibly simple and incredibly powerful, and you can really ramp up your results way, way further. Well, there we have it. These tips can help you absolutely crush it when it comes to generating money using ChatGPT. If you got value in this video, be sure to smash the like button right now to let me know. Also, if you haven't subscribed, be sure you do so by hitting that notification bell so you're always notified on my latest training. I have way more videos just like this coming soon, so you do not want to miss it. Last but not least, be sure you click the video on the screen right here if you're on a desktop to get taken to a playlist revealing way more step-by-step videos to make money online starting from scratch. Thanks so much for watching, and I will catch you in my next video.